Today we are going to replace the cabin air filter on our 2010 Camaro. This has still got the factory cabin filter in it. I have not replaced it yet. This is 010, it's now, what, 2016? So I've had this thing for, yeah, 6 years now. But I don't drive it all that often, so I'd be interested to see if this filter's even dirty. It's got like 20,000 miles on it. But this is how you do it. Pull this weather stripping off. There's these plastical looking clips, I guess. Plugs, fasteners, whatever the hell they are. Holding this thing in. Dealios. And this should come off. Ah, there we go. A little bit snug. Then here's the filter. Looks like it's secured with a couple little clips. Okay. Yeah. Then make sure you take care to which way this thing went. And it's not really all that dirty, I don't think. Let's compare it to the new one. And I guess a noticeable difference. So I guess it was around about time to do that. 20,000 miles or so. And that's it. Boom, done. Installation, reverse of removal.